Superfood Evolution presents Shilajit, its number one benefit and top 3 uses. Shilajit is a thick, brown-black substance that is naturally compressed over hundreds of years from plants and other organic matter trapped between rock layers at high altitudes, usually over 10,000 feet. Himalayan regions near Tibet and Bhutan are popular harvesting sites, but other areas include the Karakoram, Altai, Andes, and Caucasus mountain ranges. After this tar-like material exudes from the rocks in the warmer seasons and hardens, it is collected, purified, and processed as a powder or resinous paste. While the dark resin is considered the purest form of Shilajit, powders are still a very potent variety. This of course depends on the integrity of the company you purchase from. There are unfortunately many low-quality and fake counterfeits on the market to be aware of. It is therefore especially important to buy from reputable online suppliers that provide product authenticity and ensure purity and/or testing for unwanted contaminants. Shilajit, in its purest form, is a sticky, nutritive substance frequently described as a mineral pitch. Utilized for centuries in the traditional Indian healthcare system of Ayurveda, its range of uses are often recognized as a panacea for many conditions. It is classified among the top Ayurvedic herbs as a Rasayana, or rejuvenating tonic, although it is not technically an herb. It is energetically both cooling and warming, with a bitter and astringent taste. This aspect is said to have a balancing influence on all doshas or body types. Most people find that it has a strong, smoky, pungent flavor that may take some getting used to. It is usually preferred blended into hot beverages, elixirs, or teas. Some traditions mix it with ghee, milk, or honey. Shilajit is customarily intended to be used in small dose amounts, frequently with other herbs when tailoring formulas to one's specific needs or health issues. It is often combined with other rasayanas like Gakshura, Makuna, Shatavari, Ashwagandha, and Bacopa. Number 1 benefit of Shilajit as a source of fulvic acid. Yes, Shilajit has adaptogenic properties, which among other things can help to bolster immune function. But by far the top number 1 benefit of Shilajit is that it is very high in fulvic acid, a compound believed to be responsible for many of its therapeutic attributes. While Shilajit's chemical composition may vary depending on where it's from, generally it contains 60 to 80% organic matter, 20 to 40% mineral matter, and about 5% of other trace elements. Typically, there is usually around 40 to 50% fulvic acid content in most quality Shilajit products. It is the yellow gold to copper black pigmentation you may notice in Shilajit powders and resins. Humic acid is also present in smaller amounts. Fulvic acid and humic acid are naturally occurring in healthy soils, and it is the key element that makes nutrients absorbable by plants and other organisms. Because of its smaller sized molecules, fulvic acid can carry trace mineral nutrients to a plant's roots, stems, and leaves. This becomes especially important when growing foods that we eat for human nourishment. While fulvic and humic acids were once widely found in our food supply, modern-age farming practices deplete the soil and the foods grown in them of these two valuable nutritional compounds. Many health seekers, therefore, take actions to replenish the diet with supplemental food-grade sources, and Shilajit powder, tablets, capsules, or resin can be a great way to replenish this probable deficiency. Although you can buy isolated fulvic acid and humic acid as a straight dietary supplement, Shilajit can also provide a beneficial nutritional source and one that's been compressed from ancient, pristine plant matter over many centuries. What is Shilajit fulvic acid and what can it do for your body? Here are 3 major ways it can be useful. Top 3 uses of Shilajit fulvic acid. Number 1. Fulvic acid in Shilajit can increase nutrient uptake. Comparable to how fulvic acid can help to deliver nutrients to plants, it can also have a similar influence in humans, by encouraging increased nutrient uptake and enhanced assimilation of other nutritive substances it interacts with. This effect is traditionally referred to as Yoga Vahi in Ayurveda, which means joining carrier, defining its unique capacity to carry and deliver nutrients to where they can be most effective. Increased nutritional uptake from foods, herbs, and other health supplements can subsequently help to improve energy levels, decrease appetite, and promote overall well-being. Number 2. Shilajit and its mineral content. Shilajit is a top mineral-rich superfood and undoubtedly one of the reasons it's referred to as mineral pitch. Most importantly, Shilajit contains these essential minerals in an ionic format. Ionic minerals are more easily transported and absorbed in the digestive tract because they are charged and require less energy for their immediate breakdown and utilization. This is one of the reasons Shilajit is known to support strong, healthy bones. Exact mineral content can vary a bit from product to product, depending on its source of origin. Again, the major benefit of Shilajit and its fulvic acid component is that it helps to efficiently metabolize these mineral nutrients when consumed. As a mineral substance, powder or resin-like paste can be added in small amounts to shakes, teas, or elixirs. Although it can be expensive, it doesn't require large doses. For example, our favorite Lost Empire Herbs powder at 1 gram per day or about 1/2 teaspoon will last about 50 days per 50-gram bag. Number 3. Shilajit fulvic acid for detox support. The fulvic acid and humic acid concentrations found in Shilajit are studied helpful for fostering the body's own detoxification processes. Both have been researched for their metal-binding properties, which can lessen their absorption in both mammals as well as plants. Shilajit, because of its high fulvic acid content, is often used in Ayurvedic detoxification and rejuvenation therapies for its alterative, liver-cleansing actions that help to remove natural toxins or ama from the body. Other health experts we have come across use it also in intestinal and parasite detox protocols. Precautions. Shilajit supplementation is generally regarded as safe to consume for most people, but it may be appropriate to use it under the guidance of a qualified Ayurvedic practitioner who can tailor it to your own unique case scenario. Consult your health professional before intake if you are pregnant, nursing, have a serious health condition, or when taking any prescription or over-the-counter medications. Thanks for watching! For more in-depth info, as well as top-quality sources of Shilajit, be sure and check out the links in the description box below this video. Please support the channel by giving this video a thumbs up if you found it useful. And be sure and check out these additional educational videos.